explain.
Hi, my name is Michael Pacheco, and I want to talk about how recycling can help prevent climate change. So first off, recycling prevents greenhouse gas emissions. And what greenhouse gases are gases that are released when you burn things like coal or oil. And they get released out into the atmosphere, and it can be very bad. So a thing that what recycling is they take things that are already made and turning them into something different. And what they do is they use old materials that are already made instead of manufacturing new things from raw materials. And when they do that, they use less energy, and it conserves like a lot of the resources that we have. So how it saves less energy is it takes away the part of digging up the raw materials in order to be used to make the products. Some of the things that you can recycle are paper, plastic, metal, and glass. And these things can be turned into what they were originally, or they can be transformed into something different. So recycling is a lot better than throwing away your trash in the trash can, because trash gets thrown into a landfill and then it gets burned and it releases those greenhouse gas emissions. But if you recycle, it takes those things, breaks them down, and turns them into something new. So recycling doesn't take much effort. It's really easy and doesn't take much time out of your day. All you need is a recycling bin and to throw away all the things that you can recycle into that bin. Recycling can actually help stop climate change because it stops the manufacturers from producing new raw materials. And when that happens, it prevents the irreversible climate change that could happen if we don't recycle. And the climate change can result in droughts, floods, and extreme heat that could kill us all. But here's how energy is saved through recycling. When people recycled aluminum cans, it resulted in a 95% energy savings. And when they recycled steel, it made up 75% energy savings. Those percentages alone can make a huge difference to help the earth. So we can take that further by recycling more things like the paper and the glass and the plastic. Recycling also conserves essential resources such as fossil fuels, water, and trees. The way it does that is it's using less of the materials that it needs in order to make those products. So if you recycle paper, you can help save trees by them not needing to be cut down. And greenhouse gases are not good for the environment, and it can cause great harm. If there's too much in the world, like I said earlier, it could cause those floods, droughts, and extreme heat. And once that happens, it can't be reversed. You can't stop it. Now, deforestation and landfills make up 25% of the Earth's greenhouse gases alone. And that's not counting any of the other stuff that makes up those greenhouse gases. Like, it's not counting refineries as another one. But if we recycle, that percentage can go down and the trees and wildlife can be saved. Now, recycling can help save the world by making it a cleaner and better and environmentally friendly place. But in order to do that, we have to work together in order to achieve our goal. Once we achieve that goal, everything in the world will be good. It'll be clean, healthy, and wildlife and people actually will be satisfied and living a good life. But we all have to work together to do that. If one person recycles alone and everyone else throws away their trash in a trash can, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to slightly make the problem less. But if we all work together, we can achieve the goal that we want instead of living in an environment that isn't clean. So, I ask you to please recycle, because not only is it good for the earth, but it can help save wildlife and animals.